What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy K1K, you already know. And very excited to say that I'm back just for the weekend, but I'm back. I have some family stuff I need to do, and got the pass to go ahead and get a little bit of riding in. So I'm gonna go ahead to track ready, meet up with John and David, and see if we can get this flash situation taken care of real quick. We'll get the 93 map put on the right setting and get the MR map put in the right setting, and smooth a couple things out, and good to go from there. But that's what we're gonna do today, and just do a little bit of riding hopefully on Sunday, and then I'll be back in Kansas after that. But I can't even tell you how amazing it feels to be back on Arya. It's only been like 6 short weeks that I've been gone, but it felt like a lot longer than that, man. So glad to be back on tools. She still feels just as good as she did when I left her. But yeah, man, I didn't get a chance to clean her up, so she's a little dusty, you know, but it's cool. I'll clean her up a decent amount before I leave, clean the chain and stuff like that, and I'll just worry about dusting it off and everything when I get back with the leaf blower and stuff. But got some new parts of the house that's already arrived. I'll put the pictures down. You guys already saw in the beginning. Got the Evil 2-6 swing arm, which obviously lets you guys know that I decided to go ahead and make this my road race setup bike. So that means that I have to get another one, right? We talked about that. If I were to do that, I was going to end up getting a bike that I could dedicate for track, you know, and some twisties and stuff on the street and all that kind of stuff. So I'll end up having to get another 600 or something down the line. So that's going to be the plan. Might try to see if I can make that happen in the winter this year. Maybe prices will go down slightly, but if not, very early next year would be my intent, at least. But I got the swing arm already in. My Anatory quick shifters here. If you guys haven't been following some of the ZX10 pages and forums and stuff like that, with Woolage, right now the quick shifter is not tunable or adjustable at all, period. And I reached out to Woolage about a week ago, I think it was, and they told me that right now they don't have the donor bike that they had anymore, so they're unable to do any further testing on the quick shifter kill time adjustments and strength and all that. So they don't know when, if any time soon, that they'll be able to put that setting into the software. So myself and some of the other guys decided not to wait. You know, Evan put out some good advice, and he says the Anatories work very well, and that's what he's going to put on a couple customer bikes. I do realize that you lose the auto blip feature with that, and you know, clutchless downshifting, which sucks. But I'm hoping that, you know, at some point in the near future, well, I ain't gonna even say near future, I'm hoping that by the end of this year, maybe that the OEM quick shifter will work like it's supposed to on Woolage. Then if so, then I'll pull the Anatory, sell it, and I'll have all of my features back. So in my eyes, this is like a temporary solution, not a permanent one. So I'm okay with that. But my Anatory showed up today, my first day back, which is awesome. So I have that. My brake delete kit is coming in from a Leaf, so I am gonna probably upgrade to a single rotor in the front. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. I'm gonna ride a couple bikes first that have that, see if the braking feels comfortable enough for me. Not sure. I'm still on the fence on that one. So let's put it like that. I did order a long brake line for the rear already, but if the braking still feels good to me with an upgraded single front rotor and pads in the front on a couple bikes that I know that have that, then I'll probably stick with that. But if not, then I'm keeping rotors, man. So we'll see. Boy, it's hotter than fish grease out here, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, boy. I'm trying to tell you, baby. I did buy rotor buttons from Course Moto. I think it's Course Moto. But yeah, so I got the rotor buttons to make them fully floating rotors at least, so that way I can free that up some. I do have my speed sensor extension harness. What else? that might be it right now. I think that's it for now, that I got. If I forgot some stuff, I'll put it in here in the description or something. But got several things right now. I do want to also get a Penske shock. Haven't bought it yet, but I will get a Penske shock before I get back, so I can adjust that too. Evan says that the stock shock's not really that great whenever you start stretching the bike, so I'm gonna take his advice and get the Penske drag shock, you know, send in all my information so they can spring it correctly for my weight and everything like that. So I'll just have to find somebody that can adjust it. The guy that I go to normally adjusts bikes for road course, but I figured if he can set up bikes to go in the corners fast, he can for sure do it straight. So I need to reach out to him and see what he says, and if he's comfortable doing it. If not, then I'll find somebody that's known, you know, to do it for the purpose that I'm doing it for. I might have to go to Dallas or Houston for that, which that's fine, man. I'm cool with that. So I still got to decide on what wheels I want. I really like the This and Crump carbon fiber wheels, and I do like the Rotobox RBX2s and Boost wheels, and the Rapid Tech BST wheels. But I'm also debating going Coromoto Apex wheels. They look amazing. You can get different colors and all that good stuff. So, you know, obviously they're not as light as carbon fiber, but they're going to be stronger, so I won't have to worry about some of the incidents or issues that I see other guys have. You know, ZX10 Mez did have a front carbon fiber wheel crack, but I mean, to be honest, if he had the Coromoto wheel, he might have ended up dang, this dude brake early as a mug. But anyway, this dude might have ended up having a bent wheel or something in that situation. So it still might have been some damage, probably not as catastrophic, but would have been some damage, I think, from that pothole anyway. So I got some decisions to make with that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below on wheel choices. What do you guys like for wheels? You know, let me know. I'll let us see some suggestions. You know, on IG, send me some links to some bikes that have the wheels that you guys suggest too. You know, I look around all the time, but just want to get something clean, nice, something that benefits. And obviously, yeah, I will put some worldwide ceramic bearings on the bike too when I do go that route. But after all of that, I don't plan to crack this motor open at all, so that'll probably be it on that. You know, as far as suspension and all that stuff, arm and all that kind of setup, figuring out what sprockets I want. That'll be it for like that type of stuff. It'll be nothing but appearance and seat time pretty much. So we'll see, man. But I'm super excited. Can't wait. But pulling up the track ready now. See what the hell is going on over here. What's up? You gonna slaughter me, bro? I said your shit would kill me right now, like murder. Whoo, boy. I don't know, but she is ready though for sure. All right, well, they was actually closing the shop up early whenever I got there, so not gonna have enough time to get the fly stuff adjusted. If things work out, I will drop the bike off maybe tomorrow, I guess, and have it done when I got my family stuff getting taken care of, and then I'll pick it back up and hopefully can ride Sunday with the boys. If not, then to be honest, it is what it is. I just got a chance to ride, so that's all I really wanted. I can always wait till I get back, have them clean to finish that up, and then do the 85 back to back. So we'll see. She got a chance to see my tuner's new 10R. He came on over to the Cowie Dark Side, and his bike's pretty impressive, man. Got a chance to see some of his smackdowns with some of the other teammates, and his bike is nice, man. It's quick, set up pretty nice. He's not done. He hasn't even deleted all the emissions crap out of there, you know, and a couple other things here and there. But yeah, we're gonna be kind of similarly set up, to be honest, because some of the stuff I either already have or plan to get, and we discussed things, and we're gonna be similarly set up, I'll say that. But yeah, man, can't wait to see how everything goes out. And when I come back into July, we plan to try to initiate the TRP takeover, hit a couple events, and see if we can make the little small town in Central Texas proud with some dubs. So we'll see what happens. That'll be it, y'all. Y'all be safe, and I'll see y'all until next time.